Ladies, let's talk about cars. We know they're essential to our daily lives, but let's be honest, sometimes it can feel like the auto industry is designed to take advantage of us. Well, not anymore. Introducing Auto Market Rep, the app that puts us in the driver's seat. With Auto Market Rep, you can receive live quotes from multiple vendors in your area with just a few clicks. That means you have the power to compare prices and choose the best option for you. No more feeling like you're being ripped off. And if you already have a quote from a vendor, you can upload it to the app and receive bids against it. That's right, you can take control and get the best deal possible. And that's not all. The app also saves all your service records, so you never have to worry about missing an invoice again. You can set reminders and receive notifications to keep up with maintenance and recalls, and even use the app to list your car for sale or look for a new one. Ladies, we deserve to have more power when it comes to our cars. Download Auto Market Rep today and take control of your vehicle's maintenance and repair needs. It's free, easy, and designed specifically for us. Don't let anyone take advantage of you again.